Hello everyone, welcome to my beautiful pig farm in Vietnam.com. Today is a truly special day at our farm. One of our cherished mother pigs is successfully giving birth to an entire litter of baby piglets. This is an incredibly important moment for any pig farmer or enthusiast. We always take great care and attention to detail to ensure everything is in order for the mother and her piglets. If you happen to enjoy a little bit of farm life, animal videos, or even documentaries, please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching. This is our precious mother pig. She has been carefully pregnant for many months. Today, it is finally time for her to give birth to her little piglets. She looks a tad bit tired, but remains calm and collected. We have prepared a clean and quiet little space for her comfort and safety. This helps her feel secure and content as she prepares for the journey ahead. At the farm, we regularly check on the mother pig many times a day during this time. It is a wonderful, natural, and beautiful experience to witness mother and baby piglets during this time. Slowly, the baby piglets begin to make their first appearance one by one. This moment always leaves us in awe and amazement. Each little life is so small, yet very cute and adorable. The courageous mother pig is strong and maintains her patience. She remains stationary, and nature takes the lead. We stay right by her side to watch and make sure everything remains as safe and sound. Some of the baby piglets will start moving around shortly after. They desperately try to find their mother and stay close to her side. After having birthed their little ones, the baby piglets will begin exploring the world around them. They tread slowly and stay in close proximity to their protective mother. The mother pig is kind, gentle, and protective. She allows the piglets to cuddle close and feed on their first food in their life. This is a very significant moment in their evolutionary journey. Once the baby piglets are born, they begin to look for milk and begin to make their first move. This is a vital time for newfound baby piglets. After being born, these small piglets are beginning to grow stronger and healthier each day. Watching this special moment makes us feel very happy and content. It is a wonderful sign of new life and a promising future for our farm. Raising pigs may not always be easy, but it is a joyful journey. It takes patience, care, and commitment each and every day. But moments like these truly make everything incredible and rewarding. Every single piglet is essential to building a future for our farm. We always make sure the area is clean, safe, and appropriate for the piglet to thrive and grow. Thank you for watching this moment at our beautiful pig farm. I hope you enjoy witnessing bonding between the mother and her piglets. Farm life is a simple, natural, and wonderful experience. See you in the next video.
Mẹ. 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 Mẹ.